In today's program, we are going to learn how to find the average of numbers in an array. This is a basic program in C. We will start by including the necessary header file, stdio.h, which allows us to use functions like printf and scanf. We will declare an array to store the numbers and a variable to keep track of the sum of these numbers. The sum variable is initialized to 0 to ensure it starts with no accumulated value. We use a for loop to accept the numbers from the user and store them in the array. Inside the same for loop, we also continuously add each number to the sum variable. After the loop, we calculate the average by dividing the sum by the total number of elements in the array. Finally, we print the average. We use the format specifier %.f in the printf statement to ensure that the output is displayed with exactly to decimal places. The %.f is a format specifier in C that is used in the printf function to control how floating point numbers are displayed. These are the outputs.